Reading comprehension, the fox and the grapes. One day, a fox became very hungry as he went to search for some food. He searched high and low, but couldn't find something that he could eat. His stomach rumbled. Suddenly, he stumbled upon a farmer's wall. At the top of the wall, he saw the biggest, juiciest grapes he had ever seen. They had a rich purple color, telling the fox they were ready to be eaten. To reach for the grapes, the fox had to jump high in the air. As he jumped, he opened his mouth to catch the grapes, but he missed. The fox tried again, but missed yet again. He tried a few more times, but kept failing. Finally, the fox decided it was time to give up and go home. While he walked away, he muttered, "I'm sure the grapes were sour anyway." Comprehension questions. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. Why did the fox search for food? A. The fox was having a party. B. The fox was hungry. C. The fox wants to feed his family. D. The fox was not hungry. Question 2. What did the fox come upon? A. The fox saw a mouse. B. The fox saw a tiger. C. The fox saw a bunch of grapes. D. The fox saw a watermelon. Question 3. What tells the fox that the grapes are ready to be eaten? A. Their rich purple color. B. Their green color. C. Their pink color. D. Their round shape. Question 4. Why couldn't the fox reach for the grapes? A. The fox was too short. B. The grapes were at the top of the wall. C. The fox was lazy. D. The grapes were in the basket. Question 5. What is the moral of the story? A. Nothing comes easy. B. No good deed goes unrewarded. C. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. D. Never judge anyone by the way they look. Let's check your answers. Question 1, the answer is B. The fox was hungry. Question 2, the answer is C. The fox saw a bunch of grapes. Question 3, the answer is A. Their rich purple color. Question 4, the answer is B. The grapes were at the top of the wall. Question 5, the answer is A. Nothing comes easy. Well done!